Let's have a conversation about Planful versus Business Sorter versus iPlanner. Of course, we are speaking about business plan software. So we're going to do a comparative analysis of all those three players and see which one is great for you. So here are the general considerations. I want to start with Planful. So when you think about Planful, I want you to think about a tool that allows you to do analytics, financial planning, and also strategic analysis. Okay. And so it is a cloud platform, so everything happens actually on the cloud. And Planful is basically an end-to-end FP&A, so financial planning and analysis tool, and it's actually suitable for mid-sized to large-scale businesses. So it really the tool helps you, of course, create a business plan among other things, but most importantly, it helps you centralize data and manage financial and operational processes. So that's really good. And so with Planful, you are able to plan and manage reviews, approvals, business plans, submissions, and also generate a workflow status report to check the performance of every department. So it really helps you analyze asset performance by using financial budgeting and forecasting techniques with its capital planning feature. So you can see that Planful is really heavy on the quantitative aspect of business planning. Okay. So Planful is really a scalable solution that allows companies to check the effect of projects on the overall bottom line. So the bottom line here is that you have a collaborative effort from multiple departments to check what's really happening and really comment as things are going on. And so why use Planful in the first place? What are the key differentiators and advantages of Planful? Well, you are able to write a full business plan from front to back. Full business plan, so comprehensive business plan. You can conduct ad hoc analysis. You can close the books faster. You can improve collaboration within your team. You can get insights. You can automate manual processes. Remember, Planful is a FP&A, financial planning analysis tool. Okay, so that's really good. You have industry expertise. So the tool is actually designed to help medium to large scale businesses across various industries like healthcare, advertising, and distribution. And in terms of the pros and cons of Planful, basically the pros first. You have a streamlined financial close, improved forecasting accuracy, enhanced collaboration, and customizable reporting. What about the cons here? Well, you might have a steep learning curve, customization challenges, reporting limitations, and performance issues, something that you have to keep in mind. Let me talk to you about the key features you can really expect to have in a Planful business plan software. You have modern tools. You have financial consolidation. I've already told you that the quantitative aspect of Planful is really established. You have structured planning. You have dynamic planning. You have integration. You have reporting. You have the ability to actually create an annual operating plan, not just a business plan, not just a pitch, but also a full-size annual operating plan within Planful. You have workforce planning, cash flow forecasting. Here we are speaking about cash inflows and cash outflows. You have scenario analysis. You have rolling forecast. So that's really an important element to think about. So you can see again that the Planful really gives you the whole gamut of modules for you to really write your business plan. So when I talk about the modern tools, for instance, basically you are talking about having everything analytics related to actually write a good business plan. In terms of financial consolidation, basically you can accelerate month-end closing cycles with financial consolidation. You can enhance financial planning and reporting by leveraging data from a single source of truth, whether you are doing this in your business plan or you are doing this in your operational plan. And so you are able to get pre-built consolidation functionality for currency conversion and reporting, currency translation adjustment calculations, and posting. So this is kind of cool if you're writing a business plan with an international inclination, if you will. And in terms of structured planning, you can save time and reduce errors by automating labor-intensive financial planning activities. You can avoid costly and disruptive customization fees, save time and reduce risk of error with predefined planning and reporting templates. You can automate integration from any ERP, CRM, and HCM. ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, CRM, Client Relationship Management, and HCM, Human Capital Management. So you can see that those that the Planful really integrates with very critical tools that you might have currently. And when I'm talking about integration, really, you are able to automate data integration to reduce manual intervention and easily transform data with over 200 pre-built connectors within Planful. So that's really cool. And you can adjust to automatic data processing with a glowing integration platform. So that's really fantastic. Let me talk to you about Business Sorter, business plan software. So when you think about Business Sorter, business plan software, you really want to think about a tool that's really great. I mean, unlike Planful, Business Sorter is really built for startups, small businesses. Okay, you are able to effortlessly navigate through a user-friendly interface to input and structure your business plan components. So from executive summaries to market analysis, operational strategies, and financial forecast, the software actually provides a systematic approach to ensure no critical aspects is overlooked, and Business Sorter's intuitive templates and customizable sections allow users to tailor their business plans to meet specific industry requirements and stakeholder expectations. So that's really cool in terms of the granularity. So we love that a lot. And so when you think about Business Sorter as a business plan software tool, you had to think about some key features that really help you drive efficient business planning. And it doesn't matter the operational stage your business is at. Whether your business is a startup, your business is an established business, your business is anything in between, Business Sorter will take care of you and also take care of your team, the teams who are working tirelessly to make sure that your business plan is top notch. And Business Sorter is really packed with robust features that streamline the business planning process. And one standout capability is its collaborative functionality, enabling your teams to seamlessly work together on the same document in real time. And this feature actually facilitates effective communication, fosters collaboration, and ensures everyone is on the same page throughout the planning stages. And that's a true one. When you are working on a business plan, you want everybody to be on the same page. You do not want Team A to work on the executive summary while Team B is working on, let's say, the financial forecasting section. You want everybody to work in sync. And so you have comprehensive planning tool, really. And the cool thing is, it doesn't matter what stage you are in. You have, whether you're an entrepreneur seeking funding or a small business owner looking to refine your growth strategies, or a corporate executive spearheading new initiatives, Business Sorter is an indispensable tool for you. Let me talk to you about when you think about, you can see on the screen here is a pricing for a Business Sorter, basically when it comes to business plan software, okay? And what we love about Business Sorter is that it really takes a holistic approach to business planning, guiding you through every step of the process. So from market analysis and competitive research to financial projections and operational strategies, this software ensures that no stone is left unturned, okay? And so with its user-friendly interface and step-by-step guidance, even those with limited business planning experience can navigate the complexities of crafting a comprehensive plan in the first place. So what happens here is that you have tailored solutions for diverse industries. So that's really good. And so Business Sorter offers tailored templates and industry-specific tools. So whether you operate in the retail, manufacturing, or service sector, this software actually provides a customized approach to help you develop a plan that aligns really with your specific goals and objectives. And this is kind of cool. And Business Sorter actually empowers you to create a roadmap for success that really resonates with your target audience, especially because the tool leverages industry best practices and proven strategies. And this is really good. So the question is, you also have collaboration and seamless integration. So basically, you are able to get things done faster. So what are the pros and cons of Business Sorter here? Business Sorter, business plan software. The pros first, you have user tasks. You have workflow visibility. You have a tool that's very easy to use. You have measurable objectives. You have guides. You have a fits-all, let's say an all-in-one product that fits all organizations. And you are able to convert plans to action. So that's really good. What about the cons here? Well, you have lack of options, and the tool is too team focused. So basically, if you are working by yourself, you may not really find a business sorter really interesting. But if you're in a team, that's really good. But by yourself, not really. So basically, when you think about business sorter being for you or not for you, you got to really ask yourself what you're looking for. Because while business sorter offers a comprehensive suite of features and tools, it's important to remember that no software solution is a one size fits all, right? The effectiveness of any business planning software depends on your specific needs, goals, and industry. So that's an important element to keep in mind. I want to talk to you about iPlanner. So iPlanner business plan software. So when you think about iPlanner, I want you to think about a tool that actually is from Net Experts, and it's really a fairly easy way to build a quick business plan. And but it's one of those things where you have to really make sure that you are in the right target audience of this tool, because the company seems more focused on helping consultants build plans for clients rather than on folks building business plans for their own use. And on the other hand, fewer features mean a simple process, and it's even got a fairly nice price. So what are the pros and cons of iPlanner here? The pros first, you have an international multilingual approach. That's really good. You have a simple user interface, and you have a variety of currencies and templates. So, and this goes back to the international inclination of this software tool. What about the cons here? Well, you have right now a rudimentary set of options, and you do have limited flexibility. The whole thing is that basically, if you like, let's say, sleekly designed browser-based user interfaces, then iPlanner.net from Next Expert probably isn't for you. Still, you actually, once you get past the old style graphics and UI design, you'll find the interface is actually fairly simple and straightforward. Even better, it lets you build a business plan in multiple languages, especially if you have an international team. You might love that aspect of things. And it's also available for $59 for a 6-month subscription and up to 12 projects for the corporate version. So this is really good. And so you do have a tool that's template driven. You can choose from a variety of templates for different types of business plans, including a startup, a growth business, a restaurant, a proposal for seed or venture capital, a marketing plan, elevator pitch, or even a strategic plan. It really depends on you. And Net Expert iPlanner.net provides a solid explanation of what each type of plan is used for and the various elements that go into them. So that's really good in terms of granularity. You will be pleased with the results here. One thing you have to remember here is that when you think about iPlanner, you have to really understand that you have different formats for your business plan. For example, you have a tabular business model, and so the business model is also laid out in a basic looking tabular format. So it has columns where you can plot out your business's key partners, key activities, value proposition, customer relationships, customer segments, key resources, and distribution channels. However, when you click on the various areas, little other information appears. So this is an important element to think about. And navigation within iPlanner business plan software is fairly straightforward. And let me give you an example. So clicking on My Team brings up a list of team members, also laid out in tabular format. So with columns for the username, email address, role, along with flags indicating their country. That's useful if you have employees in different countries who need to be coordinated across time zones. You can set up a team member as a project owner, consultant, or viewer. And you can export reports in HTML, Word, or Microsoft Excel formats. So this is kind of cool. And Next Expert's iPlanner can provide projections showing 3 years side by side of key figures such as cash, sales revenue, net profit, operating margin, owner's equity, and return on equity per year. So that can be useful for demonstrating to potential investors where you see the business growing and giving you targets to aim for as you try to build a company. So this is really cool. You also have a dashboard for planning. So from a dashboard, you can open one of your recent projects and business plans. So for any given projects, you can fill in a templates with information such as the business name, registration date, email address, phone, legal address, office address, website, field of activity, and incubator membership time in case the startup came from a business incubator. So that's really good. And we love the fact that you are able to do all these things very seamlessly within iPlanner. And one thing I want to say before closing today's conversation is that you can also produce an income statement, a cash flow statement, a balance sheet, break-even analysis, funding needs analysis, labor cost, capital structure, all with side-by-side comparisons over 3 years across 3 columns of the table. That can help you make better decisions about how the company is doing and where money needs to be spent or cut. And the application includes some simple business plans and projects. You can send notification emails to other members of the project from within the application. So what is the selection here? So Planful versus business sorter versus iPlanner. Which business plan software should you choose? It really depends. It depends on what you're looking for, and it also depends on the level of sophistication of your team, right? Because every team is different. Like if you were to think about Planful, for instance, Planful really does way more than business planning. It's really an FP&A tool. When you think about business sorter, you are basically right into business plan software. But when you think about iPlanner, you have a tool that's really great, but UI and UX are not really that modern. So the question is, what do you care? What do you care for? Do you care about the ease of use? If yes, look for software with an intuitive navigation and user-friendly interface to ensure a smooth learning curve and efficient workflow. Are you looking for industry-specific templates? Then you want to consider software that offers customizable templates and industry-specific examples relevant to your business sector, right? Because the last thing you want is to actually have a software that is really not in sync with your specific industry. Also, are you looking for financial forecasting capabilities? Then you want to evaluate the financial forecasting tools and their ability to create accurate projections based on your business data. And if you want a tool that allows you to collaborate with your team members, then look for collaboration and sharing features. So if you plan to involve, let's say, multiple team members or stakeholders such as investors, regulators, lenders, suppliers, then prioritize software with robust collaboration and sharing capabilities. And what about educational resources and support? So software that provides educational resources such as tutorials, expert advice, and customer support can be invaluable, especially if you are a first-time business plan creator or your team is, okay? Because you got to have this sort of experience. If you're looking for a tool that has integration with existing tools, consider software that easily integrate with your existing platforms and tools, such as accounting software or cloud storage solutions. If pricing is important for you, so you want to evaluate the pricing plans and ensure they align with your budget and long-term goals, considering the potential for business growth and scalability. So by carefully assessing your specific needs and, let's say, prioritizing the features that matter most to your business, you can select the best business plan software that will streamline the process and maximize your chances of success in the long run. So who is the winner here? Planful versus business sorter versus iPlanner. Which one should you go for? If you're looking strictly for a business plan software, we think business sorter is the winner, hands down. If you're looking for a more holistic tool that really does business planning, but also financial planning and analysis, strategic analysis, go for Planful. Planful is an FP&A tool. And if you are looking for a business plan, if you're looking for something in between, you want to go for iPlanner. But our preference here, hands down, is business sorter. So here's the bottom line. To this conversation, I spoke to you about Planful versus business sorter versus iPlanner business plan software. I gave you the general considerations, the selection, the winner, and now the bottom line. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.